10.
It's 10?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure it's 10? Maybe you should measure another one. Measure that one. How big is that one?
Go 10. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4?
Yes. I'm going to do this.
How tall is it?
What's this? 1, 2.
By the way, she's counting centimeters. We're in the metric system.
That's okay.
Is not that one I want, Daddy.
Oh, we should measure this one? Alright, can you help me count?
Want that one.
Oh, the purple one? Okay, can you help me count?
1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6. What's that number after 6?
3.
7.
That's 2.
That's 7.
2.
7.
2.
You're silly.
You gotta stay in the right measurements, honey. You switched to standard. I know, it's complicated.
Can you count this one?
1, 2. 1, 2.
Almost 3, but not quite.
1, 2.
Yep.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Lydia, can you build me a tower?
What's this one?
Boy.
1, 2, 3,
4.
4. Let's build a tower.
Liked your library last time. There's only one of those semicircles. I don't know where the other one is.
Let's put the orange pieces next. Can you find all the orange pieces? Are there any orange pieces here?
Like that.
That's red.
That's red. You're silly.
Yeah.
What color should we put on next?
Yellow.
Can you get a yellow piece then?
Like that.
Yep.
Not that. This is yellow.
Today is August 15th?
Red.
No, August. What am I doing? July 15th. Lydia is 2 years and 11 months old. And we're living in our new house in Auburn.
That's a board.
That's a boar. That's a boar. Good luck with that, Marcus.
You got it to work once just because there's a little bit of friction on them. It's a very delicate procedure. I don't know if I can do it again.
It'd be beast if you could. Nope. You knocked over Lydia's tower. Darn it.
There.
I like it.
I want the yellow.
You're gonna do yellow one? Uh-oh.
It's gonna fall.
Yeah, it is gonna fall. Oh, we're funny. Lydia, how old are you?
2,
How old are you going to be?
2,
How old are you going to be for your birthday? Can you say 3? I'm going to be 3. Can you say, I'm going to be 3?
and I'm not 3.
Yeah, you're going to be 3. All right, can you say bye?